Older homes often have lead-based paint on exterior surfaces, and testing before repainting is essential to protect residents and workers. Start by selecting the right test strategy for your project size and risk level. For small spot repairs, use an Environmental Protection Agency certified lead test kit following the manufacturer's steps exactly. Take multiple samples around windows and trim and allow full reaction time for accurate color change results. For whole house assessments, hire a certified lead inspector or risk assessor who will collect paint chip samples and use a laboratory with chain of custody to provide definitive results. If testing indicates lead present, follow the United States Department of Housing and Urban Development and Environmental Protection Agency Renovation, Repair, and Painting Program rules for work practices and worker certification. Prioritize containment using heavy plastic sheeting and ground protection, and use wet methods that keep surfaces damp to reduce dust during scraping and sanding. If you will remove large areas of lead paint or create significant disturbance, hire a certified lead abatement contractor who uses negative air systems and HEPA filtration to control hazards. The three most common mistakes are assuming old paint is safe without testing, which can be fixed by testing first with a certified kit or inspector before any disturbance, relying on dry scraping or power sanding, which creates dangerous dust. So always use wet methods and local containment, and trying to do large-scale removal without proper certification, which should trigger hiring a licensed abatement contractor who follows regulatory disposal practices. A short practical note is to document all test results and work practices and to keep occupants and neighbors informed so you reduce exposure, risk, and regulatory complications. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we can post project details to find contractors who want work related to exterior painting and lead hazard management. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from others about safe testing and compliant renovation practices.